Hi everyone, another What's Next video. I happen to be at the farmer's market in Temecula, and I'm at our little booth that we have at the Old Town Farmer's Market. And that's the farm that I live on. And on Saturdays, sometimes I always bring produce to the market, and sometimes I work the booth for a little while. So if you're ever in Old Town in Temecula, come by, see us. Hi everyone, I'm back from the farmer's market. Look at this weather, it's crazy. It's nice and warm, it's humid, and it's really a strange day. I don't think I'm going to be doing much out there in that. I'm not going to be doing fire ants today, but I do have a whole pile of root burls to work on, and my tools are begging for me to put my hands on them and create something today. So that's what I'm going to do for the remainder of the day. If I come up with a video, I have one that turns out really cool. Oh yeah, I am working on one that I think I promised to show, and I will do that in a little while. Definitely I need to have a great attitude about the way the climate is changing here, because this is nothing like the blazing September, Octobers we normally get. So this is a pretty cool day. Considering that this humidity and all of the moisture makes things grow, including bugs, and the carbon that's in the air today has done a tremendous job growing all of this foliage. This stuff is just growing wildly. And again, I believe that is all to do with all the carbon that's in the air. But for today, since it's a day of not getting out there, I'm going to sit in here and work on my root burls here. This is the one I was working on the other day, and I am going to continue with this one. And I think all I need to do is put a little bit of sanding to this and then oil. And I think this will be done. This is what I had finished my video off with yesterday, and this is what I'm going to use a couple of sanding barrels to smooth this out a little bit. And that's pretty much what I'll be doing for the next hour or two, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's completed. And I'm going to cut to a video that I took yesterday of this crazy monsoon weather out here. It was wild, and it's about a minute long, and then I'll come back to this. So enjoy that video. This is crazy. That is a lot of rain. A big giant monsoon. Look at those turkey buzzards up there. They got caught out in the rain. They're washing themselves, taking a bath. I just took this burr tool off, which is what I use to get that hard oak some of the broken pieces off and smoothed out the ends with that tool, and that seemed to work really well. It doesn't work to do that type of trimming and forming with the barrel sanders, because they will come apart after a period of time, and you got to watch your speed with these things too, and they don't really take off a lot of material where I need to take the material off. So I'm going to hook this up and get started. That's it for this video. This will dry, and then I'm going to use a buffing wheel to highlight the areas that are in here, and then it takes on a little bit different luster, and that will be it. Thanks for watching.